is doing fine. Hope everyone is feeling blessed. Shout out to all the hard-working people. Shout out to the people with 2 jobs. Shout out to the single parents. Shout out to everybody, man. Just lift your spirit, lift your vibration, feel good, feel blessed. Okay? But I just want to show you guys a little about composting. All right? In this pile, this is where I add tree trunk, leaves, trees, dry trees, all these kind of leaves, trees. I cut them and just throw them in here and just leave them. I do not add meat. I do not add nothing to this. I just allow nature to cut it down. Okay? So when you do this, there's a lot of things gonna create inside this naturally from nature itself. Okay? You see in all different kind of ants, you see in all different kind of all different type. You have worms, you have everything is inside this. Okay? Naturally, we have worms, we have ants, we have everything. When you allow these things, look at what's going on, these things to work for itself, it creates a super soil. It helps you to create this super soil. A lot of things you adding in the compost, you really don't need it. These things will break down this thing for itself and in a natural form. So when you take this and you add it to your soil, here we go. Beautiful natural compost. So regardless to what, you don't need to add anything, honestly. Some people add worms, that's cool. That's cool. But for me, I let nature do the work. And when nature do the work, everything comes natural. So everything breaking down. These are the leaves.